VRV Home requires only one outdoor unit for 6 to 8 indoor units, which means only one unit can cool or heat all rooms at once, making it the air conditioner for all seasons. And if you don't require all units at once, it gives you the flexibility to use selective units too, resulting in less power consumption and reduced energy bills. It is available in capacity of 4, 5 and 6 HP. Unlike traditional air conditioning systems, VRV Home keeps your outdoor space clutter-free, in turn, keeping your building's outdoor beauty intact. What's more, VRV Home is easy to install too. This compact system can be installed on a balcony or even on a ledge. Indoor unit, design and features. High wall unit. The VRV Home high wall unit has been designed to blend in well with any kind of interior space. The stylish flat panel design goes well with different decors. And this unit is convenient to maintain because of the ease to remove, clean and wash. The smart vertical auto swing quickly realizes the efficiency of air distribution, and the louver closes automatically when the unit stops, making it look seamless on your wall. And the drain pipe can be installed on either sides, which makes it easy to hide. LSP duct unit. Daikin has made this power-packed low static pressure duct quite slim, which is perfect for drop ceilings. It has an improved airflow rate with 3-step control, and thanks to the adopted DC fan motor, there is also approximately 20% decrease in energy consumption too. Moreover, the remote-controlled external static pressure makes the indoor unit comfortable and flexible to use. MSP duct unit. The medium static pressure duct is compact and lightweight. A wider spectrum of airflow requirements are met because of the optimized airflow rate. And for improved ease of maintenance, the detachable drain pan with silver irons prevents the growth of slime, mold and bacteria, which also makes your space a healthier one for a healthier you. Smart Tech. With the Smart Control SVM series, Daikin opens up an entirely new air conditioning experience that lets you operate your air conditioner with your very own smartphone, which allows you to control your VRV Home units from anywhere in the premises or outside. So when you come home after a tiring day at work, you step into a pre-adjusted temperature of your suiting. Not just temperature, you can also control mode of operation, fan speed, airflow direction, and receive error notifications. Flexibility and installation. More piping length. For the ones with relatively larger spaces, VRV Home's 40 meters longest and 100 meters of total piping provides the flexibility to install the IDUs and ODU in suitable distant corners. Refrigerant piping. VRV Home's refrigerant piping is quite compact and can fit into narrow attic spaces. You can save up to 1/3 of your time while installing using header pack, as it has hanging points, which eases the installation process. Not just ease of installation, safety and space saving is an added advantage with quick flare nut connections and easy soft copper tube piping. Connection ratio. With the flexible design features and next-gen piping, VRV Home provides as much as 140% connectivity ratio between indoor units and outdoor units. In simple math, the capacity of an IDU connected can be up to 1.4 times the capacity of an ODU. This gives you an added advantage of redundancy of usage if all rooms are not operational at the same time. So here I am, Daikin VRV Home, protecting your home's comfortable temperature, no matter how extreme the temperature outside is. I pledge to provide you with a versatile operation range because you are prime and I am here to serve you.